what are the career in data science? Like what are the again job roles that you can take as a data scientist in a data science? Like there can be like you can not only be like data scientist, you can also opt to be like your business intelligence analyst. Okay, you can also have an option of data mining engineer, the person who will be extracting the data, right, from different websites or from different blogs or from any other data source, right? So that will be your data mining engineer, like data architect. Okay, we'll be seeing what is the job responsibilities of all of them, right? And at last you have ML and AI engineer. Okay, so most of the time the people think whenever talking about data science is that it is like your ML and AI engineer. Okay, but there are these roles as well in the backend that helps the ML and AI engineer to perform their task. Okay, so starting with data scientist. So what do this data scientist do, right? So data is scattered all over, right? As we have seen here, the data is scattered. Like a grocery store, the bills are there, and some there will be data, but the data will be not in the structured form. Okay. So what is the data could be like in your unstructured form and your structured form. Like the structured form will be like your tabular sheets, Excel sheets, and what will be your unstructured data like your videos or some text like your video title or your grocery item name. So this will be your unstructured data, right? Okay.
Yeah.
So the data scientist's job is to gather all this data, like collect that all the data and analyze that data. Okay. And once that is done, okay, then he have to process that data and make a model out of that, so that by using that model we can have an actionable plan for a company or an organization, right? Using this data we can build a model, right, that will help us to get an actionable plan for the company or organization. Okay, like in data science you have different job role no, sorry different subjects that are combined basically, right? Starting for some different fields, right? Like your computer science. Okay, so whenever we talk about data science we call it as a interdisciplinary field, right? As a for true data science. So why we call it as an interdisciplinary data type? Because it contains the subject knowledge of computer science, statistics, mathematics, right?
Yeah.
And once you combine all of them, you will get data science. So you should have the knowledge of statistics as well and the knowledge of mathematics as well. And also computer science, like for programming or giving the instruction to your computer, because we are basically dealing with computers. So you have to have the knowledge of computer science as well. Okay.
Yeah.
Any question, or do you want to say something about this topic or query? Like if you have any general doubt or if you have any general point of discussion, you may say that as well.
Um, is computer science and like data science like two different fields, or are they like, or is computer science just like part of data science and it's not like anything else?
See, in computer science, you have many different things. Like you have web development. Okay, have you heard of web development?
Yeah.
There is app development, application development, and again there are some other thing like DevOps, developer operations, like the person who makes this website live so that we may use them, and the person that will maintain that code, so that whenever a issue comes to the website or app or any application, he will be solving that. Or you have many different roles, right? So that will be your computer science basically. Like computer science is your broader kind of thing. Like inside your computer science, there will be at some corner there will be a data science, but this is emerging very fast. Like a few years back, if this was a CS, this is your data science, because we were not having the computation power, right? We were not having the computation power. Our computers were not that strong to run the machine learning models or to create the deep learning models, right? But in the recent years, like in 4, 5, 6 years, our computation power has been increased significantly. So this data science domain have increased like 20, 30 times in these 5, 6 years, right? So this data science is currently at a very high growing sector, right? So if this is your CS, like there will be some other sector like web development, Android development, or your ethical hacking, right? These are your fields inside your CS. And similarly, you have data science. And inside this data science, again, you have different fields like ML, AI, deep learning, DL, or NLP, natural language processing. And for image related tasks, you have computer vision. Okay.
Okay.
So you have computer vision, like if you have noticed on the Tesla, right? So they do like the self-driving car, right? So they use the cameras
Yeah.
to detect whether there is road or not. Like sometimes they use sensors, but they also use image input to see whether there is a road lane or not, right? So that is all done using this CV, computer vision. Like it helps you to do the image related thing on a machine learning or deep learning using, right? And this is your deep learning, right? It helps you to do like more complex thing. And similarly, you have artificial intelligence, right? Like artificial intelligence will be like your mix of them, like, right? Whenever you will say computer vision, deep learning, ML, NLP, this all will be considered as an artificial intelligence. Okay.
Okay.
So hope your doubt was clarified a little bit, right?
Yeah.